All right, here we go. Hey guys, so let's face it, we're not Chip and JoJo, and we don't hang out every day with Mike Wolfe from American Pickers, but today we're gonna go do some picking of our own. We are at the vintage market at the Fairgrounds, Nashville, Tennessee. We're gonna pick over stuff. We're gonna let you see what we learned. We're gonna go scope it out. We're gonna take you with us. Tina's gonna spend some money. She says she's got a $5 budget. $5 budget. Not gonna happen. You think she's gonna stay within it?
Yeah, sure.
Not gonna happen.
Sure, baby.
But we're gonna have fun. We're gonna take you around. That is how we're gonna enjoy our day today on Enjoying Life
At home
today.
Yeah.
Why do people come? Why do they love it?
Vintage Market Days is an upscale, vintage-inspired market full of all kinds of goodness. We've got architectural salvage, handmade items, clothing, jewelry. We have a little bit of everything, food. It's tons of fun.
Check it out, Vintage Market. Guess what? We are at a booth, it's called Scott's Stuff. And they got all kinds of signs. This is Eva. Eva runs this operation. I don't know what Scott does, but Eva runs it, I can tell you that right now.
I'm the
so
stuff.
You are based out of Texas.
Brownwood, Texas.
How did you guys get started doing these big signs?
Because of customers like y'all who ask for big signs.
Yeah.
We have a machine that is able to cut up to 90 inches.
I mean, look at this. Is that not great? About 20
$24.
bucks. You can't beat that.
You guys know my grandma name is Sweet Tea. Look what I found.
What did you get on camera? You were great. Way to go. All right.
Thank you.
So we're at a booth called Vintage Moss. I'm with Christopher. I love this booth because I love the idea of bringing the outdoors indoors. Christopher, how do you come up with this? What's your inspiration? Such cute things.
My farm is really my biggest inspiration in West Virginia.
Such a great booth.
I have moss and wild daffodils.
Oh, I love it. I love your taste. I love your style. I love your booth.
Thank you.
It's been great. It's packed with people. You got to come.
Why would you not come?
That's right. You got to come.
How do you enjoy life at home?
Share your stories, tips, and pictures with us.
Email us at tina@tinakeil.com.
And if you or anyone you know is even thinking of buying or selling a home,
We would love to help.
until next time,
We're the Keil team.
We deliver results
That move you.